Well, did you not pay for your food and leave?
No, he ran up on me.
But that's not what I'm asking you.
No, he ran up on me and pushed me to the ground, all my stuff.
In 2024, March 18th at 3:54 p.m., officers were dispatched to a restaurant after staff reported a couple allegedly skipping out on their tab and possibly taking items from a grab-and-go area. Units arrived on scene to identify both subjects and investigate the unpaid bill.
No, I don't have no drinks in there.
Do not go back to the Wendy's on Market. Yes, sir.
Once the officers arrived at the scene of the incident, they recorded the suspects' descriptions and notified nearby patrol units to search for them using the provided description, locating them just a few blocks from the scene.
Well, did you not pay for your food and leave?
No, he ran up on me.
But that's not what I'm asking you.
No, he ran up on me and pushed me to the ground, all my stuff.
You got your ID on you?
No. He didn't tell you what. I know it's
What's your social?
So you just left Craig?
Yeah, I just walked away.
Okay. Did you pay?
13 on 1.
Go here.
I'll be out with the mobile unit downtown on Main.
What?
Did you take some drinks and stuff from there?
No, I don't have no drinks in there.
Anything in here?
No drinks, nothing. I have.
Well, don't go reach in your purse. Stop it.
Okay, I was just trying to untie it.
Okay.
You just smushed my candy bar. Those were mine. I bought those. I bought this too.
Can you unwrap this,
Yeah.
please? Here, just take it off.
Why are you?
What they want to do.
Yes.
I do have a.
Okay. That's why I told you to stop reaching. I don't know what you got in your bag.
For that, for you guys.
Walked off without paying for food at Crave, and then I think they might have stole alcohol bottles or something. What somebody was saying. I'm not sure. I haven't even got that far. I just gotta run their info. If you want to keep checking through this bag.
Did you call?
Well, we verbally saw the other two
What do you guys
who got
want?
a car.
What do you guys want done?
Talk to general manager because it was his incident with him to let us know what we want.
The main concern is that he has a bill left unpaid. Is that they printed that off. She walked out the front door, and then he went back to our grab and go, started putting more stuff in his carry-out bag.
What did he put in the carry-out bag?
2 Mountain Dews, an ice cream Snickers, a Pringles, all that.
What did the Pringles can look like?
It was a green one. I don't know if
We
you
have
wanted
it in
to.
the phone
I have
in the back.
Okay, can you just give
He
me?
probably has another one.
So you guys want to do charges for theft or something, or?
It would be straight up theft, yeah.
Okay. I'll get your information. I just want to contact other officers down there so we know how to proceed. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
I mean, if he wants to come and pay for it,
Okay.
we'll let it go. But I don't think he has the money to pay for it.
Yeah, we'll see. Okay.
Hey man, so officers talked to the people at Crave. They said you walked out with about $70 worth of food. Okay, hold on. Let me. Hey, let me talk. You walked out with about $70 worth of food, and then you went to the grab and go and you took some items out of there and didn't pay for it too. That's also owned by Crave.
I did not.
Okay.
Where is all this stuff at?
They're going to give you the opportunity to go over there and pay for the food and what you took out of the machine.
I'm saying, where's all this stuff at?
If not, then they're going to.
Where is it?
If not, then they're going to want to sign charges.
I don't have a bag. Where's
Are you going to go back and pay for the food, yes or no?
Pay for what?
The food you ate.
The food that you're eating right now.
The food that's in your belly and then the to-go box you got. The floor food for your belly. Yes, it's still food.
Where is this $70 worth of stuff that I walked away from?
I don't know what you said down
I
there.
don't know. Listen, you
You
have two choices. Two choices.
I'll
Stop.
go. I'll
Two
go.
choices.
Choice A, choice B.
You can go to jail or you can go pay for it.
Left
That's it.
or you pay for it.
Your choice.
A, B.
Okay?
A, B.
All right, good. Let's go pay.
B. All right.
Am I good to go?
Due to the suspects' refusal to pay and their denial of any criminal act, the officers returned to the scene to gather possible evidence. It was then that one of the staff members showed them this video, in which they clearly leave without paying.
And then, how much was the cost of everything else that they took?
Probably another $20 worth that he took
So
out of there.
so it was.
You can keep that one if you want.
Okay. So it was.
Yeah, 264.
So it
Pringles.
Rest my call. Can we link it?
So we had 2
Negotiate
Pringles,
whatever to CFS.
How much are those each?
I want to say those are $2 a piece. So the one can of Pringles, and he took pop, and the rest of the stuff I recovered.
You got the rest of it? So the only stuff was the Pringles?
Yeah, I think he has one Pringles and the order of wings that was still in the bag.
So you're mainly just concerned about that. How much was you said the wings?
The wings are on here. It's all part of it. This is his carry-out wings. He got it to go.
Did he take other carry-out stuff? Just the Pringles and the...
Just the Pringles. Yeah, like I said, the rest of it when the bag broke.
Okay, so we're just
I got the rest of it. It's just mainly this.
Okay, and what's your name, sir?
Aaron, A-A-R-O-N.
Ah, those are the Pringles that were taken out of the...
Oh, no! Your Pringles!
Yeah.
Your Pringles! Oh, I didn't know there's Pringles.
Yeah.
Oh.
Race those Pringles?
Oh.
It's from the grab and go for the residents at that building. There's a grab and go thing. You just grab them, and if you don't pay for it,
I guess they gotta go back.
something goes off and lets them know.
You got $70 to pay for all this? I'm sorry?
Show me receipt, not me.
Wait for the
I'm telling you. No one showed me anything. I guess he's making up one or whatever.
All right, well let's box up your to-go. Let's go back and pay your tab. What did I tell you about littering? We got people come down here for a marathon. We don't need to litter with chicken bones. Huh? You can walk and chew your food. Let's go.
No, nobody told me. I know.
Huh?
I didn't know you were waiting on me.
Yeah, waiting on you.
I didn't know.
Ain't nobody else here got them.
Alright, you can walk with us too until we figure this out.
You don't have any video or anything like that?
Yes, I do. Which video would you want?
Is there, I mean, it's, I mean...
unknown emergency.
Because how do you guys normally pay at the table?
Normally they pay at the table.
Okay.
I just so happen to be coming up the elevator when I see him putting stuff in the bag.
Yeah.
I said, sir, you need to pay for that. You scan it yourself in here.
Yeah.
So he scanned it and then he goes, oh, she has my card.
Right.
So then I walked with him up here. I walked him to the front, kind of kept myself in the way of him just darting. So then when he made the corner, I just went for the bag to take that back, and it ripped, and all he got was the wings.
Okay.
But like I said,
yeah, if you have...
It's the rest of that bill that I would...
Right, I got that. So, if you want to, like, upload that video, and, like, if there's a video of the grab-and-go area, if you find that, just upload that to the link I send you, okay?
I'll talk to our building maintenance. They have security or cameras in there, so I'd probably have him on camera just putting it in the bag.
Okay.
Hey, were you at the Wendy's earlier? Yeah, you're, I just need to inform you, you are banned from there. Do not go back to the Wendy's on Market. Yes, sir.
Banned for what?
You're on a rampage today.
The Goofy shirt gave it away. I forgot about that. So if you go back, you will be arrested for criminal trespass, all right?
I'll wash some dishes.
It was earlier today. We got a call about someone going in there using used cups to use their soda machine, wearing a burnt orange Goofy shirt. So I'm just informing you that you are banned.
Copy. You're not seeing any alerts showing that he's banned from the Crave on ban. What you doing?
Oh, he's scared of dogs.
I called her earlier today.
Once the suspects were identified, the officers compiled a list of the items consumed with assistance from the staff. This allowed them to prepare an estimated receipt and determine the total value of the unpaid items, which would later be used to establish the appropriate charges against the suspects.
Here's the, I'll give you this. I took a picture of it too.
Oh, okay.
Plus the Pringle cans.
Plus the Pringle cans.
Yeah. Which are $2 each.
Woo, steak skewers.
How are the steaks here?
And the margaritas.
A margarita too?
Good afternoon.
And you still got wings.
And Wendy's. You got Wendy's.
Well, it was just the, free soda or whatever.
You had 2 steak skewers, some wings,
18.
2 margaritas.
I'll be 23 if this is 23.
Was this lady with him?
16.
Yep. Oh, was your marg good?
No, it was a little strong.
Yeah.
You know, 'cause I really don't drink. They're trying to hook you up. Yeah. He still
Got
needs
card?
someone to return them.
You would 55.
You're welcome.
You got the cash? You got the card?
Card or cash to pay for it.
Thank you. 849 working.
pay.
First alarm is 135 South Broadway Street. And they say they see the people inside on camera moving around.
You're not paying?
Oh man. All right.
Oh, okay. Then stand up. Simple.
Man, it's walk all this way.
Oh, and littering. Littering.
All right, stand up.
Stand up.
Sit up.
Stand up.
Oh, great.
You gonna pay?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm part of the task force.
What's that?
Part of the task force.
Part of what?
The task force.
Who is? What do you mean?
I'm part of it. Working with them
Okay, that has nothing to do with this.
in the park.
Okay, that's fine. That has nothing to do with this.
Okay.
That doesn't get you out of not paying your bill.
I
You walk
didn't
all the
know.
way. You made me exercise.
You
We're gonna pay.
walk all the way here just to say
All right, we're gonna.
Whatever, bro. Whatever, bro. I'm not. I already told you that. Try harder than that. I don't do it. I'm not giving him. Can you give me 1 second? My pants are.
I got you. All right, we're gonna go right in front here. Anything in your pocket's illegal that I should know about? Sorry, just face that way. Why are you going in there if you know you can't pay for anything?
I couldn't pay.
Oh,
I'm not paying him.
Okay. All right, hold on. Just hang tight. I'll put him in and drive mine up real quick. You can just unlock it. All right, I'll have you take a seat here.
Nope.
All right.
Sit back.
Yes, sir.
Can you do something about this? That point is really hurting.
Here, turn around.
All right, go ahead and have a seat.
Did you add up to the call?
Not yet.
All right, I'll do the report. If you guys just.
I am working with them, the task force.
Huh?
I was working for the task force.
Oh, you were?
Yeah, in the park.
Probably not no more. Keep doing that.
He told me he had money.
Is that yours?
No.
Who's that?
That's his.
Oh, I guess that's his.
Well, she had one too in her purse, so.
Oh, you both get one.
That's mostly his.
Mostly his?
Yeah, he stole stuff in mine.
Those chicken bones right
All
now.
right, I'm gonna swing my cruiser up here real quick.
Being drunk in public?
I don't do that much.
No, I think Moore has it. Unless it's in. Check her bag. I don't know if it's back in that bag. Hey, are you guys charging?
Yeah, I think he is. Yeah, she had one in her purse. He had one in his right pocket.
I see, okay.
So is somebody gonna tell me something?
What's that?
I said, is somebody gonna tell me something?
Say that one more time.
I said, is somebody gonna tell me something?
Yes, you were arrested for theft.
Okay.
I'm going to be taking you to Summit County Jail, all right?
Okay. Theft. It's not really necessary. This wasn't grand theft. It's $7 million. This is unnecessary. You could have just wrote a summons.
What's that?
I said, you could have just wrote a. I said, you could have just wrote a summons. How is this necessary? I'm not about to sit in jail for a month. I'm going to court in the morning. How is this making any sense? It's a waste of time.
Suspects were charged with misdemeanor theft after allegedly walking out on a restaurant bill. But since the total didn't meet felony threshold, they'll likely face fines, possible short jail time, and are expected to be released pending court. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like for more content.